Hi everybody, Kevin Pryfogle here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have featured a 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. This is the Touring L Edition, stock number 28519T. It's featured in bright white. Nice people movers. Fun to drive. Has the leather seats. This also has the sliding power doors. This also has the stow and go seats. All seats in the middle and the rear fold into the floor. Deep tinted windows, which is really nice. It's good on your eyes. It's nice for privacy. These also have the rear power lift gate, rear backup camera, rear backup sensors. I got this door open. We can cheat a little bit and look at the window sticker, which you can also view at sherrychrysler.com. Find this vehicle. Stock number 28519T. And under the pictures you'll see view window sticker, and you can see this exact window sticker. These are some of the options it has. Of course, it's going to have rear heat and air conditioning. This also has heated front seats, power locks, power windows, all the sliding doors, heated steering wheel. Let's look at the dash here. Again, like I mentioned earlier, nice people movers. Whether you have just husband, wife, or you got a handful of kids, you need to get into soccer practice, football practice, basketball practice, gymnastics, or you just like to go about your everyday daily life. These are very fun vehicles for that. Again, this is stock number 28519T, 2019 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L. And if you have any questions on this beautiful Chrysler Pacifica or any beautiful vehicle you've seen on the lot or on the internet, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. Again, my name is Kevin Pryfogle from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. As always, thank you for the opportunity and have a beautiful day.